What was the situation yesterday? Can you describe for us, please?
I can't explain. Everything happened in my eye. I can't.
How did you manage to escape?
I just
Did you pull the emergency doors?
no. Emergency door is broken.
Yeah.
My seat is broken.
Yeah.
Then I see the pace little bit.
Yeah.
Then I will try to come out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
So, did the aircraft catch fire before you came out?
Yes,
Okay.
a little bit fire. After me, I'm out. Then blast.
So, did anybody help you, or you after that you came out on your own? How did you jump from the aircraft?
I'm not jumping.
Okay.
I just walk out.
Okay.
Then ambulance coming in.
You did walk out on the building, or
No, in floor.
on the floor?
Yes. Inside the aeroplane.
Only there.
Yeah.
So, and you managed to get into the ambulance there? What did Prime Minister tell you? What was the conversation?
He's just asking me everything is okay. Na? That's it.
You're feeling better now.
Yes.
And where your family? Where's your family?
Everybody is in London. Yes. Me and my brother staying in India last 8-9 months. And yesterday I was going to back to London. And it happened everything there.
How do you feel that you have survived this kind of?
I can't explain. It's miracle everything.